everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. So I'm here today to release our new activewear patterns, the Melissa top and the Lizzie bottoms. This is something that we've been developing lately and I'm very glad to be able to share. So let's dig in the details on the top and also on the shorts. So as I was telling, this intro today is very special for us because these are the two first activewear patterns to be launched at bikinidesignclub.com. So first of all, let me talk to you about our top, our activewear top Melissa. Melissa has a double princess seam, so you have a seam here and another one here. I actually did a tutorial on how to sew Melissa with some special stitches. This is the flat lock stitch and you will see on the tutorial in detail how you can sew using this flat lock stitch. This is a very nice detail to add some texture to the pattern, even if you are using a plain fabric like I used today. So I think this is really a nice detail. But in this video I will also pop up an image here with another top that I've already sewn with two contrasting fabrics so that you can see the difference if you use the same fabric all around or two contrasting fabrics, and it's also a very nice result. This is a rectangular neckline and on the back the same. It was made using a fabric that it's called Atlanta, and I get a little bit deeper into that on our YouTube tutorial. And inside you have power mesh. The power mesh gives you the support you need, so it's actually very comfortable. This is perfect for up to an E cup, so it's quite the perfect top for you to do active life, to jog, to do whatever you want, or you can also style it with your favorite blazer, like I'm gonna pop up an image here and you can preview the good look that you can get. Now let me talk to you about the shorts. For the shorts I really need to get some distance from the camera, but I'm sorry, I hate my waists because I think I'm very rectangular, so I avoid taking images from the front like I'm doing here, so I'm gonna go a little bit closer to the camera. So the shorts are mid-tight and you have also a YouTube tutorial on our channel. You have double waist bands fabrics, so it's easier for you and more comfortable and snuggling your waist, so it's very comfortable. And then on the legs you only have one layer of fabric. I ended up doing these ones that I'm wearing today with no seams on the leg, but I'm gonna pop up an image here about another option I did with the leg seam, and you also have a YouTube tutorial on how to sew the leg seam if you want. This is very simple. The seams are on each side, and on the band the same. The seams are on each side, so it's very simple pattern to sew and it's very comfortable. We will also be releasing a new shorts mid-tight also, but with some insertions with power mesh and also stretch lace. So that's a nice detail that I really want to tease you about, but that will be only available for our members club. There's also another detail on the pattern construction of the shorts, because on the back I created a band that gives a shape on the lower part under the waistline that it's very beautiful, and to match the top I also sewed that band using the flat lock stitch just like I did on the top. So it's actually a very nice finish. Let me show you the back. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye.